guys remember this room? There's no couch anymore.
She tried it without me.
I didn't swallow it.
It's my birthday.
I love beans. I hope I don't cry. Was it good? Bro, it was giving fetus vibes. Cheers.
Yeah, I'll say it in 100 ways. Please believe me when I say I'm sorry.
Hi guys. You guys remember this room? Does this place look familiar? Oh my god, this is crazy. As you can tell, I'm back home in my hometown for literally less than 24 hours. The reason why I am here is actually because my parents are moving, so my childhood home is no longer going to be my home. They're moving down to Southern California, which is good because it's a little closer to me. Basically, the reason why I'm here is because I need to figure out what I want to keep and what I don't want to keep. Yeah, it looks like they took out a lot of stuff already. Oh my god, this is bringing back so many memories. I haven't been here since I moved out. Like, bro. Like, hello? There's nothing. My bed is not here anymore. I don't even know where I'm gonna sleep. But anyway, before oh my god, wait. I used to film right here. This is crazy. Oh my god. Honestly, my room looks nicer now that there's like not a whole bunch of big furniture in it. And it looks huge. But anyway, before I leave, I do need to do some work, and then I'm actually gonna hang out with Jonavi because she's here. And we're gonna go get some lunch, I think. And yeah, it's gonna be really fun, and I can't wait. And it feels so weird to be back. Like, this is so strange. Oh my gosh, this is crazy. There's no couch anymore. And like the kitchen, everything's everywhere. It's like a huge mess. This is, oh my goodness. And look at our fridge. What happened? What is this? Getting lunch. Guess who's here? Oh, we're getting poke.
Salmon? Tuna?
Wait, am I? What?
Dude, I'm still in like Love Island. Like, guys, watch Love Island. It's so crazy.
Yeah, I haven't watched it yet.
You should watch it so we can have like a finale watch party.
Wait. Okay.
What are we guessing?
Like, you pick the fish, so it's rice and then fish. I want it beside me. Wait, I don't even know. Are you in?
I think I'm in it. Is it 0.5?
Yeah. Okay. Hey, girly pop. We're getting our poke. I'm so hungry. We got the same order.
Hopefully that'll make it even better.
Half shoyu, half spicy. I think it's just like spicy mayo.
Okay, what should we try first?
Let's try the shoyu with a little bit of rice.
Fish.
Cheers. It is like Hawaii.
Really?
Like the texture.
Really?
Because you know tuna is usually like not fatty. Oh.
Okay, let's try the spicy now.
Weird.
Spicy with rice?
Okay, Santo.
Spicy with rice?
Spicy with rice.
It's good.
I like the show
the other one better.
Yeah. Yeah.
The sauce is better.
But it's good.
Yeah. It's so hot today. We're trying to get a refresher after this. Yep.
There you go.
Margie! Was it good? Okay. Bro! She tried it without me.
I didn't swallow it.
Do you not like the chunks? Wait, it's so good.
Yeah, it's
Wait, this is it's giving refresher, you know?
Yeah, this is exactly what I wanted, guys. Just a little strawberry lychee. Is it lychee or lychee?
Lychee. Or I say lychee.
Here you go. Yeah,
Thanks.
That's good.
Yay!
Let's head over to the car.
All my PR. Johnny B is going through some stuff. And
It's my birthday.
she's trying different foundations.
Yeah, as you can see. And my face has like every color on it. I need to wash it out.
Was it good, that one?
Yeah, I put it under my eye. But it low-key didn't work. Maybe I need more.
Wait, I think that looks good.
It's fine, right?
It like nicely blends in your cheek.
Okay.
Yeah, that one's good. I have this massive PR box of Tear of like literally every shade. So she's walnuts and macchiato. So many. These are really good foundations, by the way. They look like little dragon eggs too. It's so funny.
Do I need this many foundations? No.
Guys, I'm so tired. My feet hurt so bad. I've been like packing so much. Basically, this entire rack is what I'm kind of saving. Like I have a whole bunch of stuff that I'm trying to sell. And then obviously my massive lava lamp because, you know, we love her. I just don't know when she's gonna come with me. But yeah, and then I have hella shoes, just clothes, books, all that stuff is gonna go down to SoCal with my parents sometime. I don't know when. And then I'm trying to pack right now. And like, this is all my stuff. I'm trying to bring this all back to LA with me. Like random knickknacks. I don't know. Some weights. This is actually so random. Red beans, black beans. I would love beans. Literally like the most random things that I've left over the past few years that I lived at home. My baby blanket, flip-flops, I don't know. And all of my clothes. But yeah. I'm gonna try to fit all of this into my luggage and then also my duffel bag. And then I gotta go to sleep because I am mucho tired. Good morning. It's Thursday and I'm going for a walk. This is my outfit. Yeah. Anyway, it's 7 a.m. But, you know, gotta do what you gotta do. Going on my last little walk in this neighborhood. I hope I don't cry. I'm getting emotional as we speak. But anyway, here are my shoes. Crocs. It's a nice brisk morning. Why do I look like this? Guys, I think my masseters are growing. They've been growing actually for the past year. I can tell because I'm like, when I bite down, they just like bulge out. I think like they get really big when I get stressed out, and ever since I moved to LA, I've been pretty stressed with just being on the go. I need to chill, first of all. Oh my god, my face looks so puffy. Anyway, yeah, I really need to chill. I feel like I've been so unstagnant. What is the word for, like, what is the opposite word for opposite? Huh? What is the antonym for the word stagnant? Highly movable. But yeah, it's just like I think why am I like running away? Like, why am I running away every chance I get? I need to chill. I'm gonna miss this neighborhood. It was such a quaint, little, idyllic neighborhood. It's so safe to just walk around. LA is definitely not meant for walking around, and that is the one thing I don't like about it. It's so quiet here.
Tenho esse mar todo pra olhar. Tenho as estrelas infinitas pra contar. Tenho sol brilhando.
Bro. This is actually cursed. What the hell? Bro. I'm going through all of my like childhood stuff and it's just crazy. Man. Don't cry. Don't cry. Oh my god. Okay, anyway. I'm gonna go get coffee with Johnavie and then gotta pack up because I'm leaving soon.
Hello? I think it's just like wet. It's fine. I'm gonna put this on so my reaction is not.
Bro, I'm scared. Is it good?
Yeah. Yeah, it's pretty good. Yeah, it's pretty good.
Okay.
Why are you,
Bro.
Like, how do you like this?
Let me try my coffee. Girl. I like this. Delish.
That's good.
Yeah.
We're doing this.
Try it.
I like it.
Oh. Wait, orange is not bad. Usually I don't really like orange stuff. Does it taste the same? Or does it taste better?
I think it's better.
I think it's Chipotle. Really? What? No, because they have like tater. Wait, it smells really good. Yeah. It's like tater tots in there. Yeah. Okay, let's try.
This just feels better though.
Or like the quality of it, you mean?
Like, you know when you just put it on? Like, this is like cheap, bro. $1 difference. No, $60 difference.
I think this is heavier. But I low-key don't like the heaviness.
I like it.
This airport is so empty. Hello, I'm back in LA, as you can tell. Oh, excuse me. But anyway, I just feel like so weird. I'm basically like ready to go to sleep and I feel like my brain is gonna just turn off any second anymore. It's giving like low battery vibes. But anyway, it just feels so weird to me that like my childhood home is not gonna be like my home base anymore, if you know what I mean. Like, obviously, like, it's just weird because all my life I've only known that house. Like, I grew up there. I literally was born and I lived in that house since I was a little child. Like, it was giving fetus vibes, you know? But like, I don't know, it just like, I'm a little bit emotional about it, but at the same time I'm not. Like, what I realize is, like, of course it's sad that this house is no longer gonna be my home base. It will always have a special place in my heart, but at the same time I'm realizing that, like, a house is not a home and a home is not a house. Truly, what makes a home is the people in it. And for my home, it was basically like my family. But since everyone moved out, like, it wasn't giving home, you know? I don't know. I just feel like maybe my childhood home, like, it's no longer my home. It's just a house, like a physical building. And all the memories that are in that house are actually just like in my brain. And really all I need to do to revisit those memories is just to close my eyes and think about them, right? I don't know, that's just like kind of what I'm thinking. Also, I realized that my brain isn't really working right now. I don't know, the thoughts aren't flowing, and I've honestly been realizing that for the past couple weeks now. I don't know why. Maybe I'm like scrolling too much and my brain just isn't working anymore. But yeah, I don't know. I was kind of like sad that we're moving, but my parents are moving closer down to SoCal, so which is actually much closer to me now. And I feel like them moving there, they'll be closer to more of our family because they're all down here. And I just feel like it'll be nice because as my parents are getting older, I feel like just like being near family is just better. And yeah, I don't know. We'll see what happens. Like, I honestly, dude, I don't know. I turn on the camera and like my brain is going blank. Like, I don't know. But maybe that's a good thing. Like, maybe because like I don't have any worries or struggles or anxieties about them moving, because maybe that house just wasn't really representing like my home, and I just feel like maybe my home is not in that house. Am I making sense? Like, I don't know, like, does that make sense? I feel like in my brain when I'm saying this out loud, it's not making sense, but I just want to say, like, I find my home in the people around me and my friends and family and the people that support me, and it's nothing physical in this world will ever be home to me. Like, even like my apartment here, like, yeah, it's like my home base and I come back here and I feel comfortable, but at the end of the day, my home is with my people. Moving obviously is sad, but it's just what we gotta do. But yeah, anyway, let me stop rambling because like this is getting way too long. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like, honestly, truly, I just can't believe it. Sometimes I like actually can't believe that y'all be watching me for like a whole chunk of time out of your day. You know what I mean? Like, and then like I'm kind of like, it's just weird because like I'm alone right now, but like not at the same time because y'all be watching me like right now. So I'm like kind of confused and like, I don't know. It's giving like this is a diary and you guys are all reading like my public diary. And I don't know how to feel about that. Like, you're listening to my thoughts. I don't know. Anyway, good night. I think my brain isn't working right now, so I'm gonna go. I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog and I love you so much, and stay tuned for next week, I guess. Yeah, peace out. Bye.